Good morning, everyone. So, I just received a parcel from Shopee. So, I'm going to unbox this one. So, we're going to open this one. This is the parcel. It's the hardware to start to open this one. So, this is toys, and I just hope that no damage. Since I am a RC enthusiast, that's why I need to buy some toys to be shared. So it is a Toyota Land Cruiser 112 scale with the size is 44.5 by 21 by 18 centimeter. So this is the cartoon, like that, backside, under. So it is made in China. So where's the opening here? So just sharing. So I try to forget, but anyway, I am a Filipino, that's why magsasalita ako ng Tagalog or Bisaya with this RC. So it's not so expensive, but is I just hope that this is the B2 version. Is well packed. The remote controls on the other side. So I just opened because first we need to. I just hope that it is functioning, no damage at all, or the car is nice. Okay, we get the manual here side and the remote control. This is the manual and the screwdriver together with the charging port, USB charging port, and we have a sticker LCD. Land Cruiser, what is that? Land Cruiser 79. So this is the remote control. So this is already old, but I like this because full of styro. It is the other are having this one. I just wonder, I just looking on their blog that they don't have got these two styrofoam. It is support the RC. So this time there's a support the RC. So the RC is very protected. Now we will pull the RC. So this is now. So as I expected, it is bigger than the Tank 300, I guess. So this is very nice. As you can see, I will going to get my Tank 300. As you can see, the Tank 300 before I buy, I just get the Tank 300 and have a comparison. So this is my tank 300. Then just that's why I chose, or ito ang pinipili ko kasi hindi na tayo kailangan magpalit ng shock. As you can see, the tank 300 before, when I push, it will immediately return bounce. When I do like that, it will jump like a spring, totally a spring. And this is the old shock absorber of the tank 300. No oil, it's just an ordinary spring. That's why I need to replace we have a silicone oil inside here. This new shock absorber for the tank 300. So if you notice, yan naman to, we'll put it aside. So if you notice, this one, although the travel of the shock is not too long because this is not a rock roller, this is just an ordinary RC. So if you bump like that, it will not jump. It's really good. Can you see that? Okay. Now, this time, this tank 300, I replaced with new shock. That's why, look at, it's not bumpy. So the shock is working. Now we just put this aside, and hopefully that there's no damage all of this RC. So this is how it look. If you compare we're going to get it back then. If you compare the size for the tank 300, the tank 300 is smaller than this one. This is higher. So the size of this one is 112, but it look like 110 scale, or in the middle between. I think this is 112, 110 is bigger. Maybe this is 19 scale, not 112. Oh no, 19, not. I think 111, because it is bigger if you can compare the size. And in the front was also different. So I just hope that this RC will last longer the way how I use of it. So for this morning, we'll try to just hope that my video is not too long. So if ever it's too long, I just make it short. So I try to get some battery, then let it function well. So, and nice of this one, that's why I asked my daughter that I like this one, because they already changed the propeller shaft into metal. But you can see in the video, it's already metal. And the rim on the other side is look like an aluminum, but it is a plastic. Then the tire, according to others, that the tire is hard, but it is not hard, it's soft compared to the tank 300. The tank 300 is more, I think it's almost the same pala. I thought it's hard. So although the shock of this one is not too long because of the travel, but it's okay. If you can see the travel like that, it will not hit the pin there. So this is nice. Then I'm going to put the battery. So I just install the battery, or linagyan ko ng battery itong remote. Hindi lang ko nang na-videohan. Tapos ito yung battery niya, sobrang cute, ang liit. Tama ba ito? Okay. There's a polarity. Yan. Yan. So, itong screw back up lang, pwede naman hindi lagyan ng screw kasi grabe naman ang kapit. So, lock up a little. So, this is now how it looks. So, according to the instruction, we will on there's the remote. Yan. It's blinking, looking for a signal. Then we will turn on the car. Okay, as you can see, this is the front. I'll show you. Okay, signal light. Then so according to the some vlog, this is we have a neutral on this one, so we will change the one into a low speed. Okay. So the speed of this one is not so fast. I think this is only around 5 kilometers per hour because it's not so fast the high speed. So there's a neutral in the center, but I will do not use the neutral, just the engagement. And by the way, inside there's a shifting, there's a servo. According to them, there's a servo for this one. So it's not it's beautiful. So there are some function in here that there's some YouTuber are doing this one regarding the switch of the light. So I need to read more about the manual how to use on it. So but I know this is all electronics, not manual in adjustment of the steering, how to center on it. So for my unboxing of this RC and comparison with the Tang 300, this one is bigger than the Tang 300, and the suspension is nice. So they are already the same because I changed the what they call the shock absorber of this Tang 300. So for this morning, just sharing, this one is what is the name of this RC? It is LC 80 Land Cruiser LC 80 112 scale 4-wheel drive mode. So for this morning, just sharing. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice morning ahead of you. Bye bye.